UV Nation, are you in need of a nice compact charging station that has MagSafe capability to charge your iPhone, AirPods, and your Apple Watch all at the same time? Then I think you're going to stay tuned to check out this little combo 3-in-1 portable charger, alright? Alright. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a nice compact charging station that has MagSafe capabilities, alright? Where you can charge your iPhone and all that good stuff. But before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father, God above, and Savior Jesus Christ for going ahead and making all this possible, alright? Alright. And by the way, I want to, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It's free, doesn't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, alright? I really appreciate it. Alright, let's get back to this right here. Yeah, today, you Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this nice little compact rotating wireless charging stand, alright? From a company called HEYLINSI or something like that. It's spelled HEYLINSI. Alright, so I hope I didn't murder the name too bad, or probably did, sorry about that. But anyway, let me give you some specs for the spec junkies out there before we go ahead and open this bad boy up. It's a rotating wireless charging stand for multiple devices, 3-in-1 foldable magnetic travel wireless charger, wireless charging station for iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series, and for AirPods and AirPods, it says AirPods 3, 2, and Pro for Apple Watch. All right. Now, with that being said, if you have that one of those MagSafe rings to put on your phone or your device, you could use it with that as well. So yeah. So for the spec junkies, got that out of the way. All right, let's see right here. This is pretty cool. And this is very slim, and it's a little pricey too. I forgot how much it was, but this is a little pricey. But it was even when it was on sale, it was a little pricey. But the prices change up and down, so I'm really not going to say how much it costs or whatever, because right now with the holiday season, they're running so many sales. One day is this, one day is that, one day is this, one day is that. So anyway, yeah, here, let's take a look at it real quick right here. All right, just show you the stand right here. But what I want to do is get this bad boy out of the box. All right, let's see what it's working with. And I think we got the gray one. I want to see what other colors they have, or just this color. All right, got some instruction booklet right here. Let's take the charger out itself. Man, this has got some weight to it. This feels like some piece of steel. It got some weight to it. All right, let's see what else we got in the box. Nothing else in the box. So let's toss this box to the side right here. All right, and yes, here comes the train. But we're not gonna stop today. We're gonna keep on rolling today. Got too much stuff to do. All right, we'll put this to the side. And everybody in loud vehicles. Anyway, let's see here. And here it is itself. You got to, let's look at the cable first. You got C-to-C charging cables right here. All right, you got C-to-C charging cables. All right, let me get a little bit more light in here. A little bit, just a tad bit more light. All right. All right, here's the device itself. This is small. This is the Note 20 Ultra right here next to it. All right, small and tiny. And here is another charger I have, a 3-in-1. One is a folding one that folds out like this. And look at this one. This one is a little bit more compact, and I think this is a more premium one as well. All right, see the back of it, I think it's got some little film back here. Let's peel this film off if we can get it off on the first try. All right, hopefully we can get it off. Okay, there we go. Almost, there we go. Got it. All right, you can check this out. You can pause and read it for yourself. Got some little information on here. All right, It says 3-in-1 charge, and it's telling you about it's a 3 watt for AirPod output. For your Apple Watch is a 2.5, and for multiple devices it's charged up to 15 watt, 10 watt, 5 watt, and that's all it says right there. Wait a minute, it says also input as a 9/2 amp, and man, they got this thing so tiny you could barely read it. It's just crazy. Can you see this, View Nation? This thing is just, it's tiny. You can barely see what they're talking about. Anyway, that's not what we're trying to see right now. We want to open this bad boy up, and I mean, it's just like a nice little rubber like pad on here, so your device won't slide. I think that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open it up. Bam! As you see here, you open it up. All right, and also, you hear that? It rotates 360 degrees. That's too cool. I don't know what kind of magic they're using over there, but that's too cool. All right, man. And then right here, you have the spot to charge your Apple Watch, which I thought I had with me today, but hold for a second. Let me go get that Apple Watch real quick. Okay, we're back, View Nation. We're back, View Nation. Found my watch and found my AirPods right here. Got them both. Don't know why I didn't have them with me. Just trying to knock out these videos so quick. But anyway, as you can see, Samsung Nights. I haven't abandoned y'all. So I still got the Samsung watch on and phone. But anyway, this is pretty cool. I like how it goes, how it swivels around, and being so compact. I mean, this is hard steel. Look at this. This is cool, and this will fit in your pocket with no problem at all. Man, I mean, it'll fit in your front pocket. Let's see here. All right, put it up like so. Matter of fact, let me make sure. Okay, it's got a pretty strong magnet right here. Okay, pretty strong magnet. All right, it's holding no problem. Now I see something right here. Want to make sure you have it like at an angle, so the weight of the phone won't make it tilt back, because when I had it all the way up like this, it was tilting, it was about to fall. But as you can see here, tilt it around. And also right here, as you can see right here, it has the USB-C charging slot right here. Now you can see that real quick. USB-C charging slot right there. All right, and let's see here with the Apple Watch on here. I got one of these rugged watch bands on here. I don't know if it's going to give me a problem trying to get it on here. All right, put it on there like so. All right, and then the AirPods go in like that. But matter of fact, let's go ahead and let me find this power source. Let me go ahead and plug it up. All right, so we can see, if it really does do the fast, charging and all that good stuff. And then, by the way, these are, I know you're probably wondering what these are on my AirPods Pro. These are the AirPods Pro with the USB-C. But anyway, these are like fins, because sometimes I've been having an issue with, with the AirPods, falling out my ears if I'm doing a lot of strenuous moving or whatever. So I got these right here, and it comes with a little carrying case. So, because it won't fit in it. They won't go inside the case with the AirPods because they're just too big and not enough room. But if you're going to have them on for a long period of time, then I got them right here, and it comes with a little carrying case. All right, I'll leave a link for all this stuff down in the description box below. All right, but let me go ahead and plug this bad boy up into a power source. All right, if I can get this out of the paper. Goodness. All right, throw this trash out of the way. All right. I got it plugged in right. Unplug this one and go ahead and plug this up right here. All right. Go ahead and throw that paper out of the way. Let's see here. Oh, it has a little LED light on. I didn't really see that because I'm moving so fast. Got so many videos to get out. But okay. All right. And I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Check this out right here. It's a little red light right there. You can barely see a little red light, little LED. So I'm guessing that's letting you know that it's working. So what I want to do is go ahead and let's put the phone on there first and see how it fits. Okay, it's charging. And I have the sound turned off because I get tired of all these million alerts I get during the day and all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and take that off. Let's try it because I got the little MagSafe on the back of the my Note 20 Ultra case right here. So this will tell me if it does a fast charge right here. All right, so fast charging. Let me do that one more time because I was just fiddling around with it. All right, and then see I'm getting alerts all day long. It's telling me about some deals on Amazon. But anyway, let's click it back on here. Let's see. Got to get in the sweet spot. Oh, I didn't have it in the sweet spot. There we go. Okay, it was charging a second ago. Let's see here. Almost got it. Bam, there we go. Fast charging. Okay, so let me see if it'll fast charge when it have everything plugged up at once. So I'm gonna put the watch on here. All right, there we go. The watch is charging. All right, put the buds on there. Buds are charging. Now, moment of truth. See if it does really fast charge. Yep, as you can see right here, it's fast charging. Let me turn this upside down, get it a little bit further where you can see it. With the Apple Watch on here, I'm probably going to just go ahead and take this watch band off because I was going to take it off today anyway and put another one on. All right, I'm glad they made it so simple. You know, unlike these, the Android with the Galaxy watches, it's a little strange trying to get them on and off on the old one. All right, so let me go ahead and put it back on there. Bam, it's charging, and fast charging. Look at that, fast charging. Let me lift this bad boy up so you can see fast charging. All right, so it does what it says. So you can charge your buds, your watch, and your phone at the same time. Too cool. Let's put the iPhone back on there, and then bam, here you go. There you go. Too cool. And then when you're done, take it out, fold it up, and bam, take it with you to unplug your cord, toss it in your bag, your EDC bag, whatever you got. And also, you know, if you don't, you know, need it to sit up like that, you know, if you just want to charge your iPhone and your Apple Watch, put your Apple Watch on there, and then, you know, you put your iPhone on there like this, and then you can still have it where you can go ahead and have it like this. They have a display like this. Let me turn it around a little bit. All right, let's turn it around that way. Bam. Charging. All right, charging. Too cool. All right, and check this. I mean, this is pretty cool. So, and if you don't need to charge none of the other devices, you can just leave it laying flat. You know, it's not taking up much space, and just pop it down. Bam, charging. All right, so this is a pretty cool device. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information on it. And but I will say it's a little pricey for what it is. It's a little pricey, but you know sometimes you have to pay for quality. You know, it's crazy, everything's so high nowadays. But anyway, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information on this nice little portable rotating charger. I'm liking this, boy. This is almost like a fidget toy. I'll tell you, I'd probably get on people's nerves if I was just sitting somewhere twisting this around. It's so loud. But anyway, yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I'm liking this bad boy. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Yep, a multi-charging device. One thing that I wish some of these chargers that's dedicated, always making these 3-in-1 chargers, there's MagSafe and all that. I wish they would make it where the charging part for the watches, you could charge your Android watches, like your Galaxy watches, and your Apple Watch as well. I mean, at this point in time, that should be automatic. I mean, a lot of people carry 2 devices, for businesses and so on and so on. But that would be a cool addition, especially with the prices they're charging for it. But yeah, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information on this bad boy. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. And I didn't even think about it. The color, it matches the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max perfectly. I mean, look at that. Just beautiful. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Put it on. Just gorgeous. It matches. So if you're interested in something like this, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information. Spec junkies don't beat me up. I'm just a regular everyday person. I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person. I just happen to be a guy that loves tech and gadgets, and I'm not an expert. And it's like to showcase new products to get right here on the channel. All right, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool right here. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, hit and subscribe, and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. It really helps the channel. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. And and also you'll be able to see cool, neat little gadgets like this. All right, all right. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right, all right. Let's see here. The message for the day, oh, I got it. The message for the day is encourage one another, all right? You probably say, Mark, what do you mean? Well, encouragement goes a long way, especially, for the youngsters. If, with the youngsters, younger people coming up, a lot of times, they don't have people, trying to, push them in the right direction, and nowadays I notice a lot of young people just, they don't have any kind of goals to try to, get out there and do for themselves. A lot of them just satisfied being at home and, not going out there and providing for themselves. To curb that right there, you got to start when they're young and not baby them. You got to encourage them, to get them so they can have some kind of incentive to get out there to go ahead and do for themselves, because at one point, soon they'll end up being the next generation, and they'll be the ones, the providers, the teachers, and all that good stuff. And it'll be their responsibility to teach the people who's coming behind them and to get them motivated to do anything. But if this generation is not motivated to do anything, how you expect them to, teach the ones coming behind them? So the message for the day is encourage one another, especially the young people. Encourage the young people, encourage them to do the right thing, not the wrong thing, to keep them out of trouble, all right? This has been your main man, Mark, for Loose Screw Reviews. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. Boy, got a new fidget toy.
Yeah.